Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with AFSisterwig once more. You know they're always coming through with this cute little package, having you feel like it's a gift with a ribbon and everything. It's the same packaging as usual. So this is the wig. That's the first thing I saw when I opened the box. I got a wig cap in this package. I also got an edge brush and comb. I got a rat tail comb as well. Also a elastic band, and that's everything that came in this package today. So this is the wig we're working with today. I believe this is 24 inches long, but I'm going to definitely be sure to put all the specifications in my description box just to be sure, so you guys could go ahead and check it. Also the direct link to this wig. So this wig was so nice in the hairline. Like, it was nicely pre-plucked. Like, I love the way it was pre-plucked. It's also a nice tight curly texture, as you can see. It's really soft and it's very full. It feels so good right out of the packaging. Okay, oh, by the way, this is Swiss lace that we're working with today, so I went ahead and show you how undetectable that is. I put it just a piece of it on the back of my hand with my Got2b spray, and it melted in so nicely. It's always a good look with the Swiss lace because it gives you the most natural look that you can look for in a wig. Trust and believe. Listen, you see the title of the video here? It named my best wig installation ever, because that's how I felt when I installed this. Listen, I'm continuously like practicing. Like, I'm always applying wigs, as you guys know, so the more I apply, the better I get. So I feel like today is one of those days when this application here, it was just one of my best to date. I know I've installed quite a number of wigs. If you know, you know, but this one today, like, I take my time. And AFSisterwig, they did an amazing job with this hairline. Look at that. Look at that. This is, like, I have to say, it's a few times that in the past that I've gotten wigs with hairline that is so nicely plucked. Like, they took their time with this. And also, you want to be very delicate when, you know, applying the Swiss lace, because it is more delicate. You want to be gentle, I should say, because it is more delicate and it can tear easier. So you want to be sure that you're very, gentle with that. So I took my time and applied my Got2b spray on it bit by bit, and I used the blow dryer on cool air. Initially I was gonna use glue today because I wanted to wear this for a prolonged period, but then I don't know, I kind of forgot and I just used the Got2b spray alone. After I did that, I proceeded to start to like cut away the excess lace, and in each step of applying this wig, I just admired the hairline more and more. Like, it melted in like a dream. It was extremely undetectable. So I feel like a wig like this, not necessarily, you could get it in like a body wave or, texture, but I feel like the curly works just fine. Like, I love curly textures. I feel like this type of lace is perfect for, like, if you're getting married, because it's so undetectable and you want something that is like super natural looking. Not only if you're getting married, but I just use that as an example because when you're getting married, you want the most natural looking anything to just look your best and flawless. So right here I applied my wax stick, and then I went over the hairline with my hot comb. Now you see, you don't even have to do baby hairs with this. Like, you literally don't. Like, it's like the graduation on this is beautiful. I literally just proceeded to take it out a few strands to do the lightest swoop ever on the side, because a hairline like this, it deserves to be shown, okay? Like, you really don't have to do a lot of baby hairs with it. So it's just amazing, man. 10 out of 10. Would recommend this wig. 10 out of 10. So today I actually was in the mood for a center part, and that's what I proceeded to do. I took my time and I just used my hot comb again to lay the hair down, and yeah, I went over that area as well with my wax stick, so you know the flyaways can be tamed and stuff. It's actually a flyaway tamer, to be more specific. So yeah, so now as you can see, I can see where my wig cap is showing, so I just use my concealer to kind of camouflage it and make the parting better. I went over it with some powder as well, and I wanted my parting to be a little neater, so I actually went to the beauty supply store the other day and I got this spray, which is like a hair color spray. I couldn't get it in black, I got it in brown, dark brown, which you're gonna see it a little bit, but over time it kind of melted in more and I kind of brushed it in the hair, so it wasn't too bad. Ultimately I wanted black, but they did not have black in store. I know you can see it, guys, but I promise it didn't look that bad at the very end. But ultimately I'm gonna try to get the black one online because it would have looked so much better with the black one. But look at that parting, so precise, so defined. It looks amazing. I know you can tell how excited I am. Like, this install made me so excited. No man, AF sister, the look here, the patwa have to come true. Wanna see the fullness of the wig here? The fullness of this wig? Do you see that? It's just amazing. Yeah man, so you could definitely wear this as is. So I wanted to show you it dry without any, water or anything. I didn't do the wet look initially, and then I decided that I was going to do the wet look because I wanted to add more sheen and I wanted that juicy curly look, because I'm like, yo, I need to just experiment. So I just went in with some water, conditioner, and hair gloss. That's what's in the bottle, and I sprayed that all over, brushed it through, and this application is just a vibe. My best wig application ever, period. That's that. And so you see now the hair color don't look that bad because it's like it's settling in, so yeah. But ultimately I need to get the black, so I was just showing you guys a back view of that to show you how full the wig is. Stunning. I'm going to be sure to put the link to this in my description box. But yeah guys, that's it for the installation. It's bomb.com. Alright guys, so I definitely rate this install 10 out of 10. The wig is beautiful, as I've been saying. The hairline, everything, it's just amazing. And I did the least with the swoops. I didn't do a lot at all. And the curls are super juicy. The hair, the wig, the hair itself is super full to the tip, to the very tip. It's not stringy, so it's a pro. I definitely recommend this wig 10 out of 10. As I said before, I know I've said that so many times before, but this install and this wig, amazing. So shout out to AFSisterwig for this. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to the wig, all the specifications in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE. And that's it for today's wig look. So just go and make up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing around my neck like a lock.